All right. So after a blistering, choosing that word appropriately, uh, 36 hours or so, we are in a little bit of a cooling off period with the crypto market only up 1.4% right now, and market cap of $3,260,000,000, north of 280 billion dollars added to the entire crypto market capitalization in the last 36 hours or so. We've got Bitcoin holding steady above that 103,000. Ethereum has been the one that's actually shined in the last 7 days as far as percentage gain, 26% up. XRP looks pretty good. Solana, a lot of, so the layer ones are looking really pretty good as far as their move up. Cardano's 12%, so forth. So I kind of wanted to talk to you about the fact that I think that crypto is cooling a little bit. Number one, you can't have a run like we've had for the last 36 hours where everything was what is been up, and not have a little bit of a, okay, we're going to take a little bit of a breath. It's going to cool off a little bit. So this is not surprising. And I wanted to kind of make a video and stress that to you. But we do have something going on this weekend that you need to know about. And I think that therein lies where crypto and Wall Street, to an extent, is bracing for this weekend. And what is it that I'm talking about? Before I get to that, I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about here, because I want you to see the whole financial picture. If you look over here on the right, the Dow 30 ended the day down 119. NASDAQ ended the day up 0.78. S&P down 4, so forth. Okay. And it's really this headline right here that I want to point you at, because I think this really sums it up. Stocks in volatile week, lower as Wall Street braces for trade talks. Okay. So assuming you know in some context that the United States made the major announcement as far as the trade agreement that is now going into place with the UK, that was 100% viewed as positive. Remember, President Trump comes out and says, quote, buy stocks. I'm giving you air quotes because that's pretty much what he said, paraphrasing. And, he said something to the tune of, get ready. United States is, the golden age is back and we're about to take off, and so forth. Okay. That was mostly what fueled the euphoria for the last 36 hours. Now, looking towards the weekend and crypto bracing for the weekend, it is the next one up, which is China. So the U.S. delegation is going to be meeting with the China delegation this weekend in Switzerland. This is a big deal, and all eyes are on this because the two world's largest countries as far as commerce go are squaring off this weekend to discuss tariffs, trade. Both sides need to put an end to this. Both sides need to come out of it with a positive resolution. Both sides need to come out of it being viewed as the respective winner in both of their respective camps, if you will. And it's a big deal. Okay. And so crypto is bracing for this weekend. What's going to happen? What's some of the news we're going to get out of it? So, be kind of ready for a possible choppy weekend, depending upon how this all plays out. Okay. So again, that meeting is a big deal. And I can't stress enough how big of a deal it is. So crypto is bracing for potentially a volatile weekend. And we'll see how it all plays out. Now, back to kind of crypto. It's right now, as I said, it's cooling off 1.7% up. I mean, we've been as high as up 8 or 9+%. Bitcoin has hit $104,000 in the last 24 to 36 hours. Ethereum running well. In fact, I haven't looked at the 24-hour high for Ethereum. Let me do that. Yeah, 24-hour high for Ethereum is 2,486. So that looks good. As a Ethereum owner, it is certainly glad to see Ethereum coming back and starting to pare some of those losses as far as in my personal portfolio for Ethereum. Let me know your thoughts. Have you been down in Ethereum? Yes or no? Drop in the comments below. Love to hear you. But everything else is looking pretty good. And I think, again, we're going to be watching what's going to happen on this weekend. So that's really what I wanted to kind of let you guys know as you roll in to Saturday, Sunday. If anything, again, comes out of it worth repeating, I will certainly be here letting you guys know. There's a link down in the description there to my Twitter account. Yes, I still call it Twitter because I'm old school. To my ex Twitter account. Go give me a follow over there because sometimes stuff breaks faster over there, and I respond or I comment or I drop content over there before I have a chance to make the video for YouTube. So just if you want to be more in the know, please click that link down there and just give me a follow over there. If you're not subscribed here on YouTube, which by the way, it's free to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, please give me a subscribe here. I would greatly appreciate it. Yeah. And so I have a thing, guys, where my goal with my YouTube channel and my X account is to help you make more money in crypto. I want to help you make more money, and I want to keep you more/better informed. That's it. Those are my two objectives. And so one way of me helping you make money is just keeping you in the know, letting you know what's going on, our opportunities, things of that nature. But the other way is I have a trading indicator that literally costs about $1.15 a day to use. And I want to show you how it works. I want to show you that it can help you make more money, because I'm going to challenge you a little bit. You're watching crypto content, you're looking at it, and underpinning all that, I'm assuming, is a desire to make more money. I'm assuming it's a desire that you want to know when to buy crypto and when to sell crypto and make a lot of money in between. I'm assuming you want that. Okay. This is how you can do this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is Pepe. Pepe has been on a run, and you can see this blue box right here that I've highlighted. In the last 2 days and 12 hours, Pepe has been up 64%. What I want to point you out is you see this green momentum up box right here and this red momentum down. These are buy alerts and sell alerts coming from my software. So you can see that my software gave a buy alert basically, inside less than 2 days ago, and said it's the right time to buy Pepe. Buy it now, and it's up 61%. So $1,000 of Pepe bought here and then not sold yet. You had already made a profit of $617 on that $1,000 buy. Okay. Onyx coin is another example. You can see like right here, it gave a buy alert here and a sell alert there. And then in less than 70 days, 755%. $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $7,558. That's money in your pocket. Okay. That's what the software does. It tells you when to buy and sell. Because right now the odds are you don't know when to buy. More importantly, you don't know when to sell and get out before a crypto goes down. You see right here, 17 days ago, it gave a buy alert for Ethereum, and we're up 57%. But also, I want to point this out to you. This is a sell alert rolling down, and in 86 days, Ethereum took a 53% loss. Yeah, right there. Now, I mentioned earlier that I was upside down on a little bit of Ethereum. The reason I'm upside down is that's a buy and hold long-term strategy. One thing else I do is I use my own software. I eat my own dog food, if you will, that's saying, to buy and sell, do short-term trading like this, right? So other Ethereum trades, I exited. There's some Ethereum that I own that I've bought a long time ago that it's part of a long-term buy and hold strategy is what I'm trying to get at you. Okay. And then there's some that I am actively trading that with my trading indicator. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to say. So by the way, you can use it for stocks as well. This is the Netflix chart. And you can see from all this to here, that's 512 days. You can see all these buy and sell alerts that are giving you timed alerts to tell you when to buy and when to sell. 149%. Here's Tesla. Buy here, sell there to make 85%, and then sell and don't take a 50+% loss. Okay. In that red box that you see right there. Okay. That's what the software does. Links in the description below, right down there. Okay. And it literally cost about $1.15. So there's a link down there that'll say X1 Algo. That's my software. You can try it for 30 days. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. And the quarterly option is the cheapest, okay, on a per day basis. Try it. You can, if you don't like it within 30 days, you get your complete money back. All you have to do is go to the bottom of my website, click on the contact us. There's an email form, and you will be able to email us, and you can cancel and refund any time you like. Okay. So again, I'm challenging you. You want to make more money. This is a way to do it. Because right now, if you don't have a trading indicator, if you're not using mine or using somebody else's, you are completely blind. You don't know the best time to buy and the best time to sell to make all of that profit. 61%, 755%. The Ethereum, what was it? About 60+%, like give or take 60%. Okay. You see where I'm going with that? Okay. So check it out. Links down there. I will see you. If you're watching this on X, the links below this video as well. All right. Later.